Ever wondered what keeps your car's power flowing smoothly? In today's video, we're diving into alternator replacement, what it does, how to spot trouble, when to act, and what to expect. Let's begin. The alternator is a vital component under your hood. While the engine runs, it converts mechanical energy into electrical power, charging the battery and running systems like headlights, climate control, the radio, and power accessories. Without it, your battery would drain fast and leave you stuck. How can you tell it's on the way out? Watch for these warning signs: dim or flickering lights, a glowing battery dashboard icon, glitches in electrical systems like windows or gauges acting up, skipping power or a repeatedly dead battery, strange whining or grinding noises, engine stalling unexpectedly. If you notice these, don't wait. Get your alternator tested before facing a breakdown. Many confuse alternator failure with a dead battery. Here's how to differentiate. A bad battery won't hold a charge even with a good alternator. A failing alternator can't recharge a new battery. Diagnostics by a professional will pinpoint the real culprit. Alternators typically last between 80,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on driving conditions, weather, and how much you load the electrical system. More gadgets or stop-and-go traffic can shorten their lifespan. What happens when it's time for a replacement? Here's a simplified breakdown. Disconnect the battery for safety. Remove the old alternator, loosen belts, and unplug electrical connections. Install the new alternator and align it correctly. Refit the serpentine belt and adjust its tension. Run diagnostic checks to ensure proper charging and system performance. Cost-wise, expect to pay around $400 to $800 for most vehicles. Larger or luxury models can go above $1,200. You'll also choose between OEM parts, more expensive but reliable, or cost-effective aftermarket options that can still deliver solid performance when selected wisely. Can you drive with a failing alternator? Technically, yes, but only briefly. Without it, your car relies solely on battery power, which drains within 30 minutes to an hour. Continuing to drive risks a sudden stall and being stranded. Think your alternator might be failing? Or maybe you just need a dependable replacement? At Perris Auto Repair Center, our expert technicians deliver accurate diagnostics, top quality parts, and professional installation so your car stays running at its best. Don't wait until you're stranded on the road. Call Perris Auto Repair Center today at 951-943-2677 and schedule your alternator inspection and replacement service.